The first menu inside your NworldX dashboard that we are going to discuss is the dashboard itself. In the dashboard, you can see here your name, okay, and your current rank, and of course your NworldX account number. And also in your dashboard, you can see all enrolled account gross income. So in this particular demonstration, I used a US dollar account. So whatever amount you can see in your dashboard, that's actually the currency that is applicable to your account. Okay, so NworldX account gross income is the total accumulated income of all your accounts. So if you have like 2 accounts, 3 accounts, and so on and so forth. And you can see here left points. Left points, this is the X points value, whether under your left group or your right group. So because remember, one NworldX package is equivalent to 1 X point. So if you can see here 0, that means there's no waiting points on your left side. And if you can see right X points, you can see here 59 points. So it means there is 59 NworldX package or points waiting on the right side of this particular account. Okay, then you can see here left XR points and right XR points. Remember that every time our members under our organizations are claiming products from their fifth pair gift certificate, there is an equivalent points. So that points will reflect in this side, left XR points and the right XR points. Then also we have here pairs today. So you can also monitor within the day if you have a particular pairing bonus or match bonus. And income gained, so this is your income generated on that particular round. Okay, and income capping, this is the maximum income limit on that particular round also. And you can see here total X pairing, so this is the accumulated pairing on that particular round. And also we have here total XR pairing, so this is the total accumulated pairing on that particular round, pairing for the XR or for the product points, and the total direct. Okay, so in your dashboard, basically this is what the summary of what is happening in your organization. And on the bottom part, you can see here the NTC's information, your NworldX NTC's information. So if you have 1 account, 2 accounts, 3 accounts, all of your account numbers will be reflected in this particular area of your NworldX dashboard. So under here, you can see here your user ID or your username, your NTC number, and accumulated income. Then which round are you working on and how many pairs, and accumulated pair, then accumulated direct, and status, active or inactive. And you can see here actions. So once you have more than 1 account already, you can see, to see the status of that particular NTC, you just click browse. You can find a browse button here the moment you have more than 1 account. So when you click browse button, you will now be redirected to the dashboard of that particular NTC. So this is the dashboard section of your NworldX account.